The AMP Futures is a well-known broker based in the United States, offering services primarily to experienced traders focusing on futures and options. With its wide selection of over 60 trading platforms and low trading fees, the AMP Futures has become a popular choice for those who trade futures actively. However, as with any broker, there are both advantages and disadvantages to using AMP Futures. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at what this broker has to offer, including its fees, platforms, product selection, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether AMP Futures is the right broker for your trading needs. One of the major selling points of AMP Futures is its low trading fees, especially for futures contracts. The fees for trading futures are generally low, and there are no deposit or inactivity fees, which makes it quite affordable for active traders. For example, when trading US Micro E-mini stock index futures, the AMP Futures charges about $1.40 for 10 contracts, which is significantly lower than its competitors. Compared to other brokers like NinjaTrader and Optimus Futures, the AMP Futures stands out for offering more competitive fees. For instance, the AMP Futures charges around $0.6 for trading the Micro E-mini S&P 500 index per contract. NinjaTrader charges $3.5, and Optimus Futures charges $2.5. This lower cost structure allows traders to maximize their profits, making AMP Futures particularly appealing for high-volume traders. However, one downside is the relatively high wire withdrawal fee. If you wish to withdraw funds via wire transfer, it will cost you around $30 per transaction. This can add up quickly, especially if you frequently withdraw funds. The AMP Futures is a legitimate brokerage regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, which is considered a top-tier financial authority. This regulation ensures that the broker adheres to strict rules and operates transparently. When it comes to funding your account, the AMP Futures offers a variety of deposit options, but they do not accept credit or debit cards. Instead, you can deposit funds through wire transfers or ACH transfers, and there are no deposit fees involved. This makes it easy for traders to start trading without worrying about additional costs. However, the withdrawal process is not as straightforward. As mentioned earlier, withdrawing funds via wire transfer incurs a $30 fee, which is considered quite high compared to other brokers. On the bright side, there are several account-based currencies to choose from, which gives traders flexibility when managing their accounts. If you are trading internationally, this can be a convenient feature. Opening an account with AMP Futures is fully digital, allowing you to complete the process online. There is no minimum deposit requirement, which makes it accessible for traders who don't want to invest a large sum initially. However, the account opening process is somewhat complicated, especially for beginners. You might find it takes between 1 to 3 days to complete the registration and verification process. Although the lack of a minimum deposit is attractive, the overall user experience for account opening could be more user-friendly. Beginners or those unfamiliar with the futures market may struggle with the complexity of the forms and requirements. The AMP Futures offers a wide range of trading platforms, with over 60 options to choose from. This is great for experienced traders who prefer different tools for their strategies. However, the primary platform, Multicharts.net, is only available as a desktop application. Unfortunately, it lacks a mobile app and a web version, limiting its accessibility for traders who prefer to trade on the go. While AMP Futures provides access to many third-party platforms like Sierra Chart, which comes with advanced charting tools, not all platforms are free. For instance, Sierra Chart's advanced package costs $25 per month. This may be worth it for advanced traders, but it adds to the overall cost if you're looking for a platform with no additional fees. In terms of functionality, the desktop platform is highly customizable. You can adjust chart settings, workspace layouts, and even configure various order types to suit your trading style. However, the interface can feel overwhelming for those new to futures trading, and there's no two-step authentication process for added security. The AMP Futures specializes in offering futures and options on futures, making it an ideal broker for traders who focus on these products. However, if you're looking for a broker that provides access to other asset classes like stocks, ETFs, or forks, the AMP Futures may not meet your needs. Their product selection is quite limited, which can be a deal breaker for traders who prefer a more diverse range of assets. If futures trading is your primary interest, you'll likely be satisfied with AMP's offerings. They cover popular contracts like the Micro E-mini S and P500 and Mini DAX, among others. However, traders looking for more variety in asset classes will need to consider other brokers. The AMP Futures provides high-quality educational materials to help traders enhance their knowledge and skills. They offer a variety of videos, articles, and guides, which are particularly useful for traders who want to deepen their understanding of the futures market. These resources cover everything from basic trading concepts to advanced strategies, making them suitable for traders at different experience levels. The educational tools provided are of a high standard and are designed to assist traders in improving their decision-making and execution. Although the resources are quite comprehensive, traders who prefer live coaching or webinars may need to look elsewhere, as AMP Futures mainly focuses on pre-recorded content. When comparing AMP Futures to other brokers, especially those focused on futures trading, it stands out for its low trading fees but falls short in a few areas. For example, NinjaTrader and Optimus Futures, two of AMP Futures' main competitors, offer similar services, but at higher costs. NinjaTrader's fees for trading US Micro E-mini Stock Index futures are significantly higher at $3.5 per contract, whereas AMP Futures charges about $1.40. Optimus Futures charges $2.5, which is still more than AMP Futures, but lower than NinjaTrader. That said, the AMP Futures does have a few disadvantages compared to these brokers. NinjaTrader, for instance, offers a more comprehensive trading platform with mobile and web versions, giving users the flexibility to trade from multiple devices. The AMP Futures, on the other hand, relies heavily on its desktop-based multicharts.net platform, which is great for customization, but lacks the mobility many traders are looking for today. Optimus Futures offers a simpler account opening process and lower withdrawal fees, which may appeal to traders who prioritize ease of use and want to avoid additional costs. However, the AMP Futures wins when it comes to the variety of trading platforms and low trading fees, making it a strong choice for futures-focused traders. The AMP Futures is an excellent broker for traders who are primarily focused on futures and options on futures. If you're an active trader looking for low fees and a wide selection of platforms, this broker might be the perfect fit for you. Its extensive range of platforms allows for highly customized trading setups, and the educational tools are top-notch for those who want to improve their trading skills. However, if you're new to futures trading, the complexity of the platform and the lack of a mobile app could be a drawback. Additionally, if you're looking for a broker with a broader selection of asset classes like stocks, bonds, or ETFs, the AMP Futures won't meet your needs. Traders who prioritize a more diverse investment portfolio might be better off exploring other brokers that offer a wider range of assets. The AMP Futures offers great value for traders who are dedicated to futures trading. Its low fees, extensive platform options, and solid educational resources make it a strong contender in the futures trading space. However, the lack of mobile trading capabilities and a somewhat complicated account setup process may be downsides for some. Additionally, the relatively high wire withdrawal fees can be a concern for traders who frequently move funds in and out of their accounts. Overall, if you're focused on trading futures and want a broker with competitive pricing, the AMP Futures is definitely worth considering. But if you're a beginner or someone who prefers to trade on the go, you might want to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.